Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I just want to say this toolbox here that I bought from Harbor Freight has been great, but now it's just worn out, and I don't think it was made for, putting it in the car, taking it out of the car and doing mobile use. You can see the seats all ripped, this thing ripped off, one of the wheels broke off, and that's not even bad. Like, the other wheels were gonna break off. The drawers are all janky. See, look, here's another wheel. I think it was just made to be in the shop and used to roll around, but I used it as like a mobile workstation. So 8 months of 8 months of abuse, and this thing is dead. It was great while it lasted, but to be honest, it's time to move on to something different. I think I'm going to stop doing the whole mobile thing and just doing flip and sell and make videos for YouTube for you guys. Because I'm so close to 1,000 subscribers, and I have so much stuff here that I can flip, resell, make that profit too, and put out great videos for you guys. I'll show you a little bit of what I got going on here at my house, what we can work on. And if you guys want to see any of this stuff, you could leave it down in the comments. Also, you could subscribe, because pretty much everything will eventually be done. I got generators, I got a steel backpack blower, which I got to order a whole bunch of parts for to make it look cosmetically better. And then here's my graveyard. As you can see, tons of generators. This is all stuff I got for free or people gave me. I got rototillers. I got Champions, Yamahas, Generacs. Got a Generac right there. I don't got too many full lawnmowers. I got a lot of backpack blowers, vacuums, weed eaters. I got a moped over there. So, I got plenty of stuff, and I could always acquire. It's very easy for me to acquire stuff. I just post a post. If anyone wants to get rid of something, let me know. I'll come get it from them. Or I could look on Facebook. Someone says, hey, 20 bucks, come get this. And then I can do a repair for you guys. I'm going to try to find more intricate repairs, more different repairs. And I'm going to try to make this channel all about just doing the quirky repairs that you guys need to see. Changing a coil or something that's not just carburetor. But it could be carburetor, because let's be honest, 90% of our work is carburetors. I got this big boy, which I still need to do a restore on. So, yeah, guys, so I'm so close to that 1,000 milestone. And I couldn't have done it without all your guys' support, all your guys' help. I do small engine repair here in the desert. There's not a lot of grass. There's not a lot of trees. So it's rare to get a few, different things. But you know what? We still get by. We still have 980 subscribers at the time of recording this video. And that's all because of you guys. So what I'm going to do is, when I hit 1,000 subscribers, I'm going to try to do a big old giveaway. And it'll be a live stream giveaway. And in order to participate, you don't have to comment nothing on this channel. You don't have to like this video. You don't have to even subscribe to the channel. Just pay attention for when this channel does hit 1,000. We're going to do a big old live stream giveaway. And during the giveaway, I will tell you guys what to text in the comments to participate in our giveaway. I'm going to try to get a few different brands and see if they want to jump on. You never know. I might get someone who wants to give us something for our channel. So, even if we could get like 1 or 2 things, that'd be great. But it's all because of you guys, and I'm so close. And I just have to say thank you to everybody. I really appreciate it. You guys have been with me through, all the good and the bad of my life. And you guys seen that toolbox give birth and die in 8 months. So, and today, on this day, is exactly my 1-year anniversary of when I started posting videos to YouTube. And I'm just shy of hitting that 1K. So, we got bigger things to come. I appreciate everybody who watches my stuff. And without further ado, everybody, my name's Andrew, and this is Simply Small Engine Repair. Have a good day.